What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and it does look as though we are finally heading down towards the bottom of the range that we have been talking about for a while here. You can see Polygon hasn't really come down and retested this low of this range that it's been in a good while, has it? And it looks like we're finally getting down towards that level now at around that 75-cent area. You can see obviously it's in between these two Fibonacci levels as well. That support sitting at the 0.38 Fibonacci level of the fib pull from the high of the bull market down to this current low of the bear market. And you can see, if we take a little look, we've bounced up into this area here, haven't we? Basically come all the way up, formed a range in between these two fib levels, the 0.38 and the 0.50. Resistance, support, resistance, resistance, support, support, support. We get the break up to the 618, but then the FTX collapse happens and we get dragged back inside the range. And then, you know, we've come up to resistance here and finally coming down as though we are about to test these key levels of support, although we're not quite there yet. We're just, you know, hovering in this area here. You can see we do need to come down a little bit more into this area probably for a bounce. And as we've marked out here, if Polygon does come down and touch this Fibonacci level, we will be entering a long position in this area, probably looking to target halfway back up the range, as you can see here. Just waiting for that bounce to the upside, really. But overall, Polygon, you know, it's still doing what it needs to do. Holding up really well in the bear market, to be honest. Had a very nice bounce and going sideways in a very similar chart pattern to Ethereum, really, where it did have the, you know, that big move to the downside followed by a bounce, and really it's just been going sideways since then. Nowhere near that swing low that it was at all the way down here around 31 cents. That's a crazy swing low, isn't it? I mean, we're at least a 2x, 2.5x up from that low at the minute, just going sideways really and waiting to see what happens next. So we'll see what happens next. It will be interesting to see, but overall, Polygon looking like it's got decent volume compared to most cryptos, and it's not actually coming down and making lower lows and lower highs, is it? It's still just going sideways, so we may well see a bounce here, but if altcoins do continue to be bearish, we could see ourselves break down below this area finally, maybe come down to this swing low at 70 cents, or maybe down to this next level at 60 cents, which would be a very key level of support here as well, if we do see those lows being broken. But in our opinion, you know, we're going to trade the range until it breaks, and our bias would be a bounce here, probably back up towards the middle of the range there, above 80 cents, maybe 85 cents. So that would be our analysis for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.